Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Ram 1500 in an ST trim, I believe, and powered by a 4.7 liter V8 engine, providing you with decent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to cover up your belongings, keep them covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Reveal some storage bins underneath, and then you do have two cup holders in the middle there. This truck does have a remote start installed, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 81,504 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your buttons to cycle through your information. And then you do have this button here to cycle through your odometer, trip A and B mileage, temperature, and then eco mode status. Moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe that's it actually, but you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down, you have your hazards, traction control shutoff, and your tow haul mode button. And then you have your climate controls here, just on 3 dials, very simple, easy to use. To the left you have your 4x4 controls, and moving down from that you have a 12-volt power outlet here, and you have one on the other side as well. In between that you have this compartment, or your cup holders. You have 3 of them, so you can have plenty of drinks. And you do have an aftermarket trailer brake controller installed there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside for all of your stuff if you want to put it in there. And then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.